Okay, so let's do these triads. So number 3, we're going to find 2 points. So I'm just going to label them x1, x2, y1, y2. So we do y1, which is 5, minus y2, which is 5, over x1, which was -4, minus x2, which is 0, and I get 5 minus 5 is 0, over -4 minus 0 is just -4. 0 divided by anything is 0, and that's my m. My b is whenever x is 0, what is your y? So 5 equals my b. So we have y equals 0x plus 5, which is the same thing as y equals 5. So similar to the one above, anytime we just have y equals 5, it means that no matter what on your graph, it's a horizontal line. Similar up here on example 2, when we had y equals -4, it just meant at -4, it was a straight line all the way across horizontally. So it never rose, on our rise over run, it never rose anywhere. It just stayed horizontal. So that's what's happening down here in example 3. So then in example 4, we have our slope, which we're going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. So I have 1 minus 1 over 0 minus 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 3 is just -3. 0 divided by anything is 0. My y-intercept is at 1, so b equals 1. So my line is y equals 0x plus 1, which is the same thing as y equals 1. So it's just a horizontal line that runs through that y-intercept of 1. And that's all we got for today.